This is a very special delicacy from southeastern Nigeria. It is called Abacha Ugba. Abacha and Ugba. Guys, this meal is so delicious, like very, very delicious and special, dear to our hearts. Let me show you how we make it. So hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today, like I said, we are making abacha ugba. These are the ingredients we are going to be using. I will be linking them down in the description, and I will be giving you a whole list of the whole ingredients. Pepper, cow skin. I found these garden eggs in the African store, and I was so happy because it's been long I ate garden eggs. So these are the stuffs we'll be using. This is our oil bean seed, also known as ugba. So I'll be using more of the oil bean seed than the abacha. This is abacha cassava flakes. It's made from cassava. This is cow skin. We have our palm oil, onion, and locust bean. That's ogiri. I think that's what they call it, right? So this is my fish. I'm grilling the fish in the oven. We're just going to be doing it like the common general fried abacha, but this is with more ugba than abacha. So we'll be adding palm oil and tossing in some chopped onions in it, and then stir fry for a bit. Add your other ingredients: pepper, crayfish, salt, and seasoning cubes, and then stir that for a while, and we'll be introducing the other ingredients. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please introduce yourself. Let me know where you're watching me from, and you're highly welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you all. God bless you. So guys, this is the cow skin. I just added it. Now I'm adding the oil bean seed. This one is sliced oil bean seed. We call it ugba. This food you're seeing here, this particular oil bean seed, is very, very nutritious, proteinous, very healthy. If you've not tried it before, try it. Don't worry about the dark color. It tastes great, okay? So this is like an African spaghetti. So I'm adding ogiri. Ogiri, it has a strong smell. You know, this is the Igbo native ogiri. Yeah, we always add it. It makes the food very, very balanced and nice. Okay, so remember, I'm cooking this on low heat. I'm just going to be doing the stir frying gradually, and finally we'll be adding our abacha pretty soon. So you just pretty much use basic ingredients at home: salt and pepper and crayfish mostly. There's nothing different from, you know, the regular abacha we do. It's just that this one is fried. Remember the last time I have an abacha video on my channel, but I didn't add ugba to that one. So this is like an upgraded billionaire version. Okay. So guys, we just give it a good stir, check for salt, make sure all your ingredients are okay. And this recipe always goes with fried fish or grilled fish. So I already have my grilled fish in the oven. I'm adding extra pepper because I want it hot and spicy. Okay, guys, seafood, like, if you've never visited Eastern Nigeria, please come to Igbo land. We have food, we have recipes. Like, you can't get exhausted from eating our food. You can't even finish it. We have so much variety. Anyway, this is my abacha ugba. So if you visit my house and you're a special guest and I serve you this, just know that you're very, very special. So this is my garden eggs. I washed them and cut it. These are fresh onions. We'll just be putting it by the side, you know, to garnish, to give it that glow, to give it that glory. Okay. So this is just how we present it. This is how we eat it. So you have a bite of fish, a bite of the abacha ugba, a bite of your cow skin, a bite of your garden egg. Oh my God. If you have tasted this meal, please tell us in the comment section. Did you enjoy it? What do you think about abacha ugba? Does it taste nice? You can see it's very simple. So if you're scared of making local Nigerian delicacies, please try out this recipe and please your family members. Please yourself, you know. If you go to buy this one in the restaurant now, they'll be calling millions for you. Millions. All right, guys, come and join me. Let's eat. This food is so nice and so tasty. Thank you very much for watching up to this time. God bless you. See you in my next video.